Alright, so today I have a shitty job to do and it's supposed to snow, so here's my setup to get to the camp today. It sucks because my big VK is down, doesn't start, and the big sleigh doesn't fit on the tundra, so I'm stuck with that setup. It's a bit redneck, but it's gonna work. Hopefully I'm gonna be alright to get to the camp with that. So anyway, there's a lot of snow on the roof, and there's a big snowstorm coming starting tonight. It's gonna be another 3-day storm again, and a lot of snow. We're expecting like 50 to 60 centimeters of snow again, so it's gonna be a mess. My camp is getting full of snow. It's heavy on the roof and I need to do that today. So let's go. Well, look at that. I made it. I didn't think I would make it in one shot, but yeah, it didn't move. So pretty good. All right, I'm done. Oh, it wasn't that bad. I'm just not in shape. So that's done. I'll have to get ready for the snowstorm now, because it's it's coming fast. It's already snowing. It's not supposed to snow right now, but it's snowing. So the joys of winter. All right. Well, sorry my French, but tabarnak, there's a lot of snow. It's been snowing for 3 days. Yeah, I've been plowing the whole way here. But let's see if everything's alright in there. Yeah, everything looks good. What the hell is that? Ah, shit. Looks like that's from a mouse. Still have those little fuckers. I thought I fixed the problem, so I guess not. There's more holes. Shit. And of course, I forgot the mousetrap again. I always forget the mousetrap, but I'll need to find it quick because they'll make a mess again. And, there's don't see any shit on the table like last time, so that's good. But I'm sure there's shit somewhere. The little fuckers. The one thing that sucks is when you need to take a shit in a snowstorm. Yeah. If you don't want to shit your pants, Look at that shit. Oh, the joys of winter. Alright guys, I made it home. It's a crazy storm out there. The highway's been closed for 4 days and there's a big accident and 3 fatalities, so that sucks. So anyway, I need to fix those snowshoes. They're in bad shape as you can see, but they still work good. The only thing is that I broke the bindings on it. And those were the bindings I had. They're made with an old tire tube that I got from a tire shop. It works, but not enough for big boots. And I have big boots. So I'm gonna make some with leather instead, some traditional ones. And hopefully it's gonna work. It's my first time making some, so we'll see. It might not work at all, but we'll try. Alright, I just finished oiling everything and now I need to just wait a little bit till it dries a bit. I'll be back and finish the rest in about an hour, I would say. Alright guys, it's the moment of truth. See if it works. That works. Not bad. Yeah. It works. Yeah. Yep, that's perfect. It's gonna work. Super happy with that.
It's a bit long, but it's alright. I can always cut it. Yeah. Good job. Oop. Oh yeah, look at that. I think we're safe. That's gonna work pretty good. Oh yeah. All right. Let's go to the cabin. Alright, this time I didn't forget the mouse trap. It's gonna be a bucket and a cover so I can catch more than one. You've probably seen that before. I put a little bit of peanut butter at the tip there. Hopefully it's gonna catch those little fuckers that come in the cabin. Alright, I just put the mouse trap in the corner right there. Seems to be the good spot where they travel. Was shit, and I'll try that. I don't know about that ramp. I don't like that ramp, but they go everywhere, so if they want that peanut butter, I'm sure they'll find it. So hopefully I'll catch a few and I'll have a clean cabin. All right, we go snowshoeing now. Look at that asshole. Wants to get in my outhouse. I guess he must need the shit. Alright, let's go test those suckers. We'll go in the back there. There's some big tracks right here. I think it's a nice big lynx. I've seen a lot of lynx tracks already. I think there's a few. Oh, it looks like they work pretty good. I'm happy. I'm not sinking at all. Big snowshoes for a skinny guy like me, it's not a problem. Super nice. Look at that. Trees are full of snow. There's a cedar. Wow. I'm not in shape.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna try to get back up now. Shit. Oh, just got it. Oh, motherfucker. Okay, yeah. Get up. There's a stump there. Okay. Cedar tea is really good for you. Good for the lungs. And the taste is really good too. I like it. I'm sure it's not for everybody, but I like it. It's those little branches, you just cut them in little pieces and you put that in hot water for I would say 10 to 15 minutes and you got a nice cedar tea with that. There's a nice one here. Try to go for the newest ones, the newest leaves. Those are the best. Alright, that should be enough. Oh, there's a spider web on that one. Yeah, later I might do a spruce tea also, but I prefer spruce beer. That's a spring video. I'll do a video making spruce beer. That beer is really nice. You can get drunk very easily with spruce beer. I made some good one, but like I said, it's gonna be a spring video, so subscribe and you'll see it. Do they call it bear paw snowshoes, the round ones? Tell me in the comments. I think that might work a lot better than those long ones. Those long ones, I think they would work when there's not too many branches and stumps. It's a bit too long. So anyway, I'll try to find more birch. If I can find some more birch, that would be awesome. There's a bit on that one, but it's a bit small. Not well, that one, that looks not too bad. I like to get it from bigger birch because those are like small pieces. Still work, but don't take too much if you do that. Trying just to get the loose ones. There's a bit there. That's you see that? That's not good. I'll try to find a big one. That one is too small. There's a few right there. Oh yeah, I think there's nice bark on that one. Oh, there's a... Oh yeah, that one is just perfect. It's dead, so there's a few nice pieces on that one. Look at that. Perfect. Oh. Go on that one too. Yeah. Oh yeah, there's nice bark on that one. That's just perfect. That's good fire starter. That's a good fire starter. Oh yes. Alright, that should be enough. It's gonna last a while. It doesn't take much to start a fire anyway. So let's go back to the cabin. I guess we can say that my bindings passed the test. They didn't come off once. I fell a few times, and whew, I guess they did the job. That's good. All right, look at that. Nice warm cup of cedar tea to warm up after an afternoon outside. That's just perfect. So anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it and you'll subscribe. And I want to wish Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everybody. I hope you had fun, and I'll see you next time. It's Sly with Woodland Ventures. Have a nice day.